So it's taken some time and you've finally found the right person for the job. Do you need an employment contract? Well, the truth is, once you've made an offer of employment and that offer has been accepted by the other party, you already have a contract in place. An employment contract can be written, verbal, or a combination of both, and all are binding. Contracts of employment are generally governed by the provisions set down by the Fair Work Act, which means a verbal agreement will actually contain implied terms. An implied term is any term that a court considers part of a contract, even if that term has not been discussed by the parties. Now, one would think that an employee has a duty to act in good faith, but this is still a grey area of the law and only applies during the period of employment. However, most business owners expect that their staff not disclose sensitive information, even after they've stopped working for the business. By putting your agreement in writing, you have a say in the expectations, rights and responsibilities of the parties, and there is less scope for the terms to be implied. By clarifying the ground rules that may not be set out in legislation, both parties will know exactly where they stand, and that alone will reduce the possibility for misunderstandings and conflict. Flexibility is the main attraction of part-time employment, not just for the employee, but also the employer. Part-time employees are able to combine work with raising a family, study or leisure activities, while employers benefit from a more flexible workforce. Of course, they work less hours than full-time employees and receive all the entitlements of a full-time staff member, such as personal leave, annual leave and superannuation, on a proportional basis. Part-time employees may work under an award, an enterprise agreement or a part-time work agreement which has been negotiated to suit the individual. RP Emery's up-to-date part-time employment contract contains all the terms and conditions required to comply with the Fair Work Act, along with comprehensive instructions. The contract or letter of offer in this kit sets out the relationship between the employer and the employee. Once the employee accepts the terms by signing the letter becomes the employment contract. The contract template is formatted in Microsoft Word for easy editing and can be used as often as you wish. You really will be surprised just how easy this is and thrilled with the time and money you'll save. Simply download your document, edit and print.